What is complaint? A complaint means something that is very unfavorable situations. In that situations, you can't stop yourself from yelling. There are various different ways of complaint that we use in our daily life. But in this session, we will not learn how to complain. Rather, we will learn how to complain politely. The first one, I'm sorry to say this, but. For example, I'm sorry to say this, but your service isn't good enough. You can also add here, I am sorry to bother you. For example, I'm sorry to bother you, but your service isn't good enough. Second one, I'm afraid. For example, I'm afraid there may be a misunderstanding. The another way that we can complain, I am unhappy about. For example, I am unhappy about your late delivery. To stronger this, you can add really. As for example, I'm really unhappy about this. We can also say it's unacceptable that. For example, it's unacceptable that my delivery is late. You can say in another way. As for example, excuse me. Example, excuse me, probably we are missing something. Thank you.